One of the things that I love seeing is when you can take a traffic source that some people know about, some people don't, but you kind of make a little twist on it that's really going to make it pop. And that's what I found in this brand new course. It's called Warlord Secrets. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull on successfully. Well, me and my buddy Lee over here. Now, if you are new and if you're not new, well, by now you know the drill. Even me saying you know the drill is getting old hat. No pun intended. Hat, get it? But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why was it do such thing? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Seriously, Bart, this one is good. I really like this one. It's very, very good, and I got an insane bonus, by the way. But anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip, man, it's a product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. Liz, she's a fellow New Yorker. I can't get angry at her, even though she says the same thing every day. You'd think I would, because it's just like Bart, but for some reason, I don't know. I like Liz. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Warlord Secrets. I have no idea why they call this course Warlord Secrets, by the way. I think that's a weird name. And for those who know who it is, it has nothing to do with Stephen Alvey. I know his company is called Warlord Entrepreneur. You know, I think it's a little bit weird that they use this name. Completely different from him. And, you know, I'm not personally in touch with Stephen, but I know that that's what he calls it up. Anyway, that's not really important. What is important is actually the course is a pretty solid course. What they're going to do is they're going to show you a way of getting traffic and making money off of Quora. Now, Quora is a question and answer service where basically you answer people's questions. I've tried it myself and didn't have a whole lot of success with it, so I kind of like discounted it and said, oh, you know what, waste of my time. Well, these guys went back and kind of like rejiggered the whole idea, and they were able to figure out a way of really making it work. Now, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus before we take a quick look at the members area. As always, I have the best custom bonus you're ever going to find. So the way I figure is like this. Quora is all about answering questions, and you want to have content ready to roll to answer a number of different types of questions. So what better than to have 10,000 different articles on hundreds of topics. You'll have them at your fingertips, ready to go. And all you do is when somebody asks a question, you say, oh, I've got an article about that. You pick it out, you paste it into Quora, and you're done. So that's what I'm giving you. Pick this up, and I'm going to show you how to get 20% off. It's currently 12 something, so I'm going to show you how to get 20% off of the total. So it's going to be like $9 or something like that to get this, and you're going to get 10,000 ready to deploy articles with this thing. Plus, I'm going to give you about 10 different courses. They're listed down below. These are original high-end courses, not junk, not something that has been passed around a million times and that you've seen you can get for free from some PLR website. These are high-end courses that I paid a lot of money to get. You're going to get them completely for free. That's going to be with the front end. Now, if you pick up any upgrade to Warlord Secrets, I've got something ridiculous for you. Any upgrade, and by the way, downgrades, downsells, if they have them, I haven't double checked to make sure what they are, but if they have them, downsells, yes, you can pick up a downsell also, still get this. You get me personally to write 3 custom answers to questions on Quora for you. You just contact the support team, let us know what you want it on. Typically within 24 to 48 hours, we'll get back to you with the custom written answer that you can post on your own name. And that's really going to help you out a lot because you're going to have something written by somebody who knows how to write. That's my specialty actually is writing. I'm really, really good at it. So, I will get that done for you and make you a lot of money through that by writing these 3 things. If you pick up any 2 upgrades, you get 6 done for you questions. I am going to limit this to the first 20 people just because of the fact that otherwise I'm going to be inundated with requests, and I've got myself into trouble before where I've made this open-ended and then I ended up with way, way, way too much. So it's going to be the first 20 people who request it will get the questions written for them. The 3 for 1 upgrade or 2 or 6 for 2 upgrades. Okay, so and plus, of course, everybody's going to get the 10,000 oracles plus 10 courses that are listed down below this video. If you're looking at this on YouTube, just click the link and you'll be able to see everything on my website. Let's get a quick look at the members area. This I especially like, the fact that you can actually automate Quora. They've actually found a way of doing that, which I thought was really, really awesome. That is something that I hadn't seen before. Now, they do have a lot of different hacks in order to stay safe on Quora, in order to monetize your traffic and get people buying from you. But the fact that you can automate the whole thing, to me, that was a big deal. That really is what sold me on this course and made me say, wow, this thing is worth grabbing. So I kind of like gave it away, but let's see if I'm going to give it to Master Product Creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, seriously, I am in love with this thing. You rock. I think this is really great. Grab this one. This one's good. You're going to love it.